I'll tell you, one thing is absolutely without a question that the Palmetto State got a lot of rainfall. This is just a sample of just the last 72 hours, the last 3 days of reports of flooding, whether it was flooding of a road, a bridge, a creek, or in a neighborhood. And that doesn't even go all the way back to the rainfall that we got on Saturday and Sunday this past weekend. But just to see, just in the last 3 days, estimated how much rainfall we've gotten. Most areas in the northern Midlands, so Fairfield, Newberry, Saluda, and Kershaw County, got anywhere from maybe 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches. You go out to Lee County, now approaching in the area around Bishopville and Highway 31, maybe about 4.5 inches. Over in Sumter, the city, 7 inches. Lower Richland approaching 9. Over in Calhoun County, right off of Burke Road, 5.5 inches. Just to the east of the city of Orangeburg, 6.5, and then the big numbers by Lake Marion approaching 8, and then down in the Holly Hill Tucktown area, just maybe over 9 inches of rainfall. And keep in mind that was all since Monday night. Well, for that, we still have flood warnings, and this is specifically for the rivers. The Wateree River until Tuesday afternoon, the Congaree River until Tuesday early morning, and then the North Fork Edisto River until early Sunday morning. But again, those are river warnings. A flood watch still remains in effect until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, but fortunately, most of the activity has really dwindled down. Although there's a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity pushing just to the east of the Midlands, moving through areas of Berkeley and even Williamsburg County, heading towards the Grand Strand. Still have a little bit of light precipitation, maybe moderate in far eastern Lee, Sumter, and north and south Calhoun County. Look at these current temperatures right now, low to mid 70s. So we really have been dealing with these temperatures overnight all week. Winds are finally starting to taper off, shifting out of the south upwards of, at worst, maybe 10 to 14 miles an hour. And remember, there's what's left over of tropical now depression Debby, now in North Carolina, moving into Virginia, and that's one name we can finally scratch off the list. But keep in mind, it's the second week of August. We're only down to 4 names, and with that said, we are tracking another one. It's way out in the Eastern Caribbean, but this one is a 50% chance of development over the next 7 days, kind of like what we did with Debby 2 weeks ago. Maybe there's development, so something we'll be watching as we get towards early next week. Meanwhile, we still have a cranking of counterclockwise motion. All the showers and thunderstorms are well to the south. Again, Debby's all the way up in northern North Carolina, but this activity that we have now will start tapering off, at least for the Midlands. A lot of concentration of showers and storms still with that counterclockwise motion in the low country up to the Grand Strand before that pushes off the coast. In the morning, we'll start off with partly cloudy skies, quickly to mostly sunny, but we're going to have daytime heating, hot and humid. Showers and storms will start pop up in the low country, may get into the extreme southern Midlands, but overall, we're not expecting any more rain for tomorrow. So here's the forecast. In the morning, we'll start off with lows in the low 70s. Tomorrow we'll end up highs in the low 90s. But again, keep in mind, it is going to be noticeably humid starting tomorrow. And with all the rainfall we got, don't expect the ground to dry up anytime soon. On Saturday, we're going to reach a high of 92. 91 on Sunday. Again, it'll be humid enough, and as hot as it is, chance for maybe some pop-up afternoon showers and storms. And we'll do it all over again Monday through Thursday with that chance for pop-up storms. High temperatures will be in the upper 80s thanks to the cloud coverage, but again, it will be quite humid. JR?